Hello there, everyone. This is Smartdart, and I have one question for you. So, do you hear like these random noises that happen, like sound like this? I have just put it in the editing. And I'm not recording the sound. But so do you hear these random sounds? And you don't want to hear them anymore and you think it's quite annoying. You don't know how to do it, well, you clicked on the correct video. So, it's most likely from a DM or from your server. So, you're gonna see, like, if someone says, "Hi, I'm gonna make this sound," and quite annoying after a while. So, there's an easy fix. All you have to do is go to settings, go to notifications, and turn off messages. This is the sound that that it makes. So, and then you can change all of these too. It makes a sound that you hear from messages, and most people don't want to hear all the messages from a Discord server, especially if it's an active server with like 100 messages per minute. Like, that gets quite annoying after a while, if you do agree with me. But yeah, that's how you disable it. If this was helpful, make sure you leave a like, subscribe. We're almost to 20 subscribers. I know, we're growing pretty fast. So, if you haven't subscribed, then make sure you subscribe. I think, like, I only have, like, 20 people, like 20% that are subscribed. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe you other 80%. Let's try to get that up to higher, I guess. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.